Hey there, my name is Deepak Joshi from Ateneo Robin batch, and just now recently our backend module is done, and we have made a project on for our backend. So in this project, we have assigned two partners, me and my project partner is Vimal Gupta, and our project based on e-learning platform in which students can access their specific accounts and can learn from our websites regarding course which is given on that particular on our websites. So they can access in our website by logging in or registration, and users can access as a faculty member, as a student, and as a admin. So I'll show you how it's done, and our site's working, how how it's working. Okay, so let's start from sign up here in our website. So we'll sign up from here. Okay, it will redirect us to the sign up page. Here we can put our name, as my name is Deepak, street address ABC, city Delhi, state Delhi, zip, email address. So we will put for now abc@gmail.com. So username Deepak 123, password, let's call it 1234, become password 1234. So we will sign up as a faculty before. Okay, as I said before, our users can be accessed as a faculty and as a student as well. If they are faculty, then they can access their account as a faculty. If they are a student, they can access their account as a student. So we'll sign up here. Okay, let's sign up. So we sign up, user added, as it says user added. So let's go to courses. Here we have courses for our faculty, uh, in which faculty can, as a faculty can add courses and can change or update the courses details. So let's go for in the courses, like we have classes of JavaScript and HTML. If there are any courses available, it will show in here as. If not, we can create here. So let's go to JavaScript and for register for this class. Okay, then we will add lesson here. Okay, add lesson like lesson number one, lesson title, JavaScript, let's say functions, lesson body function. We will say, let's call it anything now. Add lesson. So lesson has been added here. We can review our lesson here. So we say that lesson number is one, lesson is functions, and view lesson shows here. Okay. So faculty, what faculty can do? A faculty can access to the courses, can update courses. Okay. And for now we haven't put a delete option, but for it has been accessed via admin. So let's not go for admin now. Okay, so faculty part is done. So let's log out from faculty and log in as a user, log in as a student. So we'll sign up here, create a student profile here. Let's say Deepak, Deepak, Ravi. Username, let's call it the path KFC123. Password 123. Okay. So we sign up here as a student here. Yeah, we already logged in as a sign as we done the sign up. So from here, students can access the course details, view classes. If there is no classes, then it shows classes not found. Okay, so it shows here classes has been intro something ads my friends. So let's go back, check out our HTML classes. There is no classes for now in the HTML, so no classes are not found. So in strings can access to the classes. Okay, can register for the classes. And in further app improvement, we will add like the students can pay for the classes or access a free class as a free register or free class. So for now, our project is this much only. We will improve further in upcoming future. So let's end it. Thank you so much.